Hello everyone, this is Harsha Baghel and you are watching Hindi with Harsha. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. So right now we are providing a free Hindi batch as well as a paid Hindi batch. So let me tell you what are the key points in these batches. So this free Hindi batch, first of all, I must say that this is the first lecture of our free Hindi batch. So what we will be covering in this lecture, I am going to explain this to you. What we will be covering in this batch, I am also going to explain this to you. So in this Hindi batch, you will be given classes on YouTube. Your doubts will be solved on our WhatsApp group, and more study material with voice notes will be given on our WhatsApp group. There will be many tests on Instagram stories on daily basis, or there could be some days when there is not a test. Okay, almost daily there will be tests. After this, we also have our paid Hindi batch at affordable prices where you will be given live classes on Google Meet. Your doubts will be solved on WhatsApp, or there could be different doubt sessions as per the requirement. Voice notes will be given to you so that you can listen and practice your ears how to listen to certain sentences, certain sounds, or words. This will help you to understand Hindi words like listening practice. This will help your listening practice. Okay, after this, you will get your pronunciations checked by me. I will be checking them and telling you how to pronounce the words or sentences rightly. There will be homework given after every single class, and tests will be conducted every Sunday. More study material with voice notes will also be given on the WhatsApp group, just like the free Hindi group. Okay, so what we are going to, okay, oh, no. Before that, link for the free Hindi batch and link for the paid Hindi batch is given in the description. So please do check our description of this video so that you can join our free or paid batch as you think necessary. If you don't have money, join free Hindi batch so that you can learn Hindi for free. Okay, so here in this, okay, this is my book which I have written for you guys so that you can learn Hindi in the best manner. I will be taking your suggestions to make this book better. So please drop down your suggestions if you want something to add or remove from this book. Okay, in this lecture, we will be learning the introduction. Welcome to Hindi. There you will be given some basic things about Hindi. Okay. So what is the objective of this first lesson? In this lesson, you will understand the background and significance of Hindi language. You will get introduced to Devanagari script, and you will learn and practice your first Hindi word, which is Namaste. Namaste. Namaste means hello or hi. Okay, and you will also learn how to introduce yourself. Okay, so this is Namaste and this is also Namaste. As you can see the difference, this sa and this sa is equal. But when you are writing, you will prefer to write this sa. This is more appropriate. Okay. These are the like upcoming things. You will learn this in upcoming lectures. Let's not get there and understand the basic things first. So, what is Hindi? Hindi is one of the most spoken languages in the world, and it is major language in India. Why did I just said major language? It is because India has 22 official languages and it does not have any national language. So basically means Hindi, or I can say English, is not our is not our national language. India has 21 major languages with more than 1500 mother tongues. So when you are coming to India, you will see a lot of people who are not talking in Hindi. In India, people are mostly bilingual, or they know more than two, three, or four languages. So this is very common in India. Okay, so like this is very common. Ki people will know Haryanvi, they will know Hindi, and they will also know English. Okay, so you should learn Hindi because there are over 600 million users of Hindi which use Hindi in their daily life, media, literature, and as well as government. Okay, after this, let's learn about the script. Hindi is written in Devanagari script. We will be learning about Devanagari script in our upcoming lectures in detail. What are the closely related languages to Hindi? These are like Urdu, Sanskrit, Haryanvi, Rajasthani, Nepali, etc. So, did you know that Hindi and Urdu are mutually intangible in spoken form? So, basically, if a person is talking in Hindi or if a person is talking in Urdu, you just cannot tell in which language they are talking. It is Hindi or it is Urdu. I know there are some words which makes the difference, but when you're talking, it is like intangible. You cannot understand which language is this. You can differentiate only when you see the scripts. So this is because Hindi use different script when written and Urdu use different script when written. Okay, Hindi use Devanagari script when written and Urdu use Perso Arabic script when written. So this is the main difference. Okay, so where Hindi is basically spoken. Hindi is the primary language in several Indian states such as Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Haryana, Delhi. Okay, let's take some example. So if you're coming to Haryana, you will see a lot of people who are talking in Haryanvi, and they will also know Hindi, and high chances that they will also know English. Okay, so this is going to be very common. Okay, it is also like Hindi is also widely spoken in Nepal, Mauritius, Fiji, and many other countries because Indians are everywhere and there are some other beautiful people who are interested in learning Hindi. So you will see Hindi in different parts of world. Okay, first of all, we are going to learn our first Hindi word, which is namaste. As I already said, this is also right. This is also right, but this is more appropriate. Okay, your first Hindi word is namaste. You can repeat after me, okay? Namaste, namaste, namaste. It is a traditional and respectful greeting used throughout India. No matter at which state or at which part of the country you are, you can simply say namaste while greeting. It typically means I bow to you, and it is used for both hello and goodbye in polite settings. Let's break down the pronunciation. It says na, ma, sa, te. One more. Na, ma, sa, te. Namaste. Namaste. So namaste is often sent, namaste is often said with the hands joined in front of the chest, just like you are praying to God. How will you join your hands while praying? You will also join your hands like praying when you are saying namaste. Okay, I think if I'm going to learn this whole thing, if I'm going to cover this whole thing of this particular lecture, which I think I was going to cover, this will take a lot of time. I think I should cover this in next video, in next part of this video. So I think that's it for now. Bye. I would rather say namaste. This was the first lecture of our free Hindi course, and please drop down your suggestions. Please subscribe to the channel. Please like, comment, and share with your friends who are interested in learning Hindi. Do not forget to join our WhatsApp group, free Hindi WhatsApp group. Link is given in the description, and see, we are going to learn how to introduce yourself. So do not forget to watch the next part. We will be learning how you can introduce yourself in a very smooth manner. So that's it for this lecture. Tata, bye bye. Namaste.